Well, welcome back to the channel. We got a pretty good video for today. Is it gonna start? Hang around, let's find out. Okay. I just got it leaned up in there in the hole. But the thing I'm kind of waiting on is when I hook this up, I already got the negative on. We're gonna connect the positive, and hopefully we don't get any of that magic blue smoke. That would not be good. So let's see what we got. If it happens, it happens. That's all there is to it. Well, everything's good so far. Let's check out the dashboard and see if there's any kind of lights on. I didn't get the steering column in yet, which that's going to happen real soon. Yeah, there is lights on. You can see the hazard light is on. And the wiper light is on. I don't know what to do about that, but this is the headlights. And we got lights. Oh, yes we do. Freaking nice. No smoke yet. No, not a headlight there. That must be parking lamps. Let's go around and flip it the other way, I guess. I don't. Nope. Okay, so it's just something more I got to look into. Maybe the middle is, I don't know. Nope. Well, we don't got any black, any magic blue smoke, so that's a good thing. So my next thing is starter solenoid. It's right there underneath that hose. All we got to do is jump it with a screwdriver. Let's see what happens. Ah, goodness. That's a good sign.
3 days later.
It's a couple days later. I was playing with trying to get it started. Then it ran out of time. I was getting hot. It was freaking like 85 degrees out. It's not too warm right now. It's about 74 or 5 right now. But I picked up a new battery. Got it connected up. No magic blue smoke, which is good. I haven't tried anything else. I haven't changed the plugs. Checked the rotor. I did get the column put in and wires hooked up. I'm hoping I got them hooked up right. But so you're going to be here to witness just to see if we can get her to touch off. I ain't sure if the fuel pump's working. I got the line disconnected here at the carburetor, and I'm going to use some carburetor parts cleaner, carbon parts cleaner, just to get it to touch off, and then we'll go from there. So let me set you back up, and let's see what she'll do. Alrighty, this is a slide carburetor, kind of like a motorcycle. It's got a slide in it, moves nice and freely. I checked the oil in the carburetor, and I didn't put any more in it, but let's give her a little shot. And we'll go around and see if the key works. For one, If not, I'll use the starter solenoid. Look at that. Yes. Nice. She fired off. So now let's set the change the plugs for one. I'm going to disconnect the line from the fuel pump, which is on the other side. I'll show you that, and then we'll get a IV bottle going just to go from there. So let's change the plugs. Now I don't want to pull all the wires, just to let you know that you shouldn't do that. You do one at a time. I got some NGKs, that's what they were saying the car calls for. I must have twisted it a little bit too much. Alternator is kind of in a tough spot right there. But this is the rear plug. Not, I mean, it's kind of on the foul side. And then this one here is a little golden brown, some soot. That's the second one from the rear. This is third to the second from the front. And then I snapped the porcelain, but that one don't look too bad. But I'll probably be going two different plugs. We'll see how this works out. Okay, that's done. Now I did fix the hose for the vacuum advance. I don't know if that works, because that works at a higher RPM. But just someone that knows, the heck is this? Looks like the speedometer or something goes in there and there's numbers. I haven't cleaned it up. If somebody can tell me what that is, life used, percentage life used, and it has an arrow, so I don't know what's going on there. But I did order a new clutch slave cylinder, or master cylinder and a slave cylinder. I'm hoping this line is going to be usable. I'm going to spray it down with PB Blaster at both ends, but I got to get the tunnel cover off to get to that to spray it, because I can't get it in the air right now. But right here, you guys, let me take you off the tripod. Right here's the fuel pump, and I'm gonna have to do something about that wire. It's pretty long, and I don't trust the fuel in it. The line is pretty hard, so I'll probably change the lines. The one going over to the carburetor looks newer. You can see the numbers on it, so it's fairly flexible, but that one isn't. So I'm going to be doing a line change, draining the fuel tank, and then I need to tear the carburetor apart and do a thorough cleaning inspection, probably just do a rebuild. Well guys, it's getting hot. It's like 86 degrees right now. I'm sweating. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I just got home. I decided to come out and tinker with it for about half hour, an hour, and I'm starting to hear thunder. Plus I need to get the wife to give me a haircut. But we did get it to fire over. That's a good thing. So hopefully this weekend we get a chance to get back at it, get it up and running completely on its own. Make sure that it gets up in temp and the fan, it's cool, keeps cool. Go through the carburetor. I want to go through the carburetor, make sure it's not gummed up. But hey, we're making progress. So this will be another day. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow. It's supposed to be up in the 90s toward Thursday or Friday. So I don't know if I'm going to be out here after work doing tinkering with this. But next time you see me, it'll be another day.